Welcome back to One to Step, and in today's video I'll be showing you how to log into your Planet Home Lending account. Before getting started, if you are new to the channel, please do subscribe and turn on the notification bell icon to get notified every time we upload new videos. Now let's get started. First of all, open your Google Chrome or any web browser. Then on the search bar, type in Planet Home Lending Login. Once you press enter, you'll see these kind of results. From this, click on the second link. Then it will take you to this login page. On this page, you'll have to provide your email and your password. So go ahead and enter your email address. After that, enter your password. And in case if you don't remember your email or your password, you can click on this link to recover it. And if you are new to Planet Home Lending, you can click on this button to register for a new account. Once everything is set, make sure you have entered your correct credentials. Then click on the sign in button. Once you click on it, you'll be logged into your account. That's it for this video. I hope this video was helpful, and if it was, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe, and turn on the notification bell icon to get notified every time we upload new videos. And I'll catch you on the next one.